Well, day is dying in the west for sure. And I got this all dug out to there. I cleaned up all the roots, all the stragglers, all that stuff came out from here to there. And now that's going to be nice. And here's the thing, because I'm doing it myself, I get to decide what to do. Could I have left all those roots? Yeah, I could have left them if I didn't want to do anything to them, but I thought I'd get them out of there and get this all nice and clean so that they don't grow into this, and start pushing this block wall out of whack or whatever. I still have to dig the line from here over to there on both sides. I wanted to get that dug out. I still need to cover this, so I got it dug out to there. I'll move this over when I get ready for that, and then I might dig a little bit more in there so that I've got enough room to not hit any of those roots. See all that kind of stuff. Because you've got a garden that's 25 years old, that's just what you're going to have to do. If you decide to do it yourself, if you paid somebody else to do this, they're not going to do all that. They're going to do the little bit that they told you they would do, and they would leave it at that. And maybe you're going to be happy, maybe you're not going to be happy after you watch all this stuff to see how you should really do it right. Okay, that's the other thing about the videos. If you don't want to do it, you could show somebody else how to do it, or at least you know how to do it right and how to do it halfway, or how not to do anything and leave all this kind of stuff and have a garden that just looks kind of messy and all discombobulated. You know what I mean? Not on my watch, because I'm doing it because I have time to do it. All this is going to be covered up in this little area, and I'll redo the pipes as I go and make sure everything in this area, and over there where I saw some other stuff, I'm going to do it right. And I'm also going to do this right. This is going to look nice. When I get done, it's going to look like a professional did it. Okay? I'm not a professional, but I know the difference between right and wrong, and you will too, as long as you keep watching my videos. All right, time for me to go. See you next time. Well, that's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos. And every time you watch one of my videos, I'm hoping you're going to learn more on how to save more around the house.